Nancy obi peso beautify interchange na. For me, it means I can hydrogen. And I'm a one.
Can hydrogen crap.
Because beatification, no. Ehunya. Yetim free ha ko Dubai. Beatim free ha. Etim ko Dubai because of pictures. For a tourist purpose. No ko ni ade. Na the political language. Enim hwehwe animu a ewo ho. Ene non-recognition of such beatification no and necessarily no mean you can't answer. Neji kansa wo ye painting na sa wo be ka kire ye say MPP for a was sentimental mumpe empuntu djuma. The first question is dana wudam na afi na wo wato painting be painting one is see dan. Me ma si dan e de ama wa han. O ba ya wo ba be dam no painting. Half rubber kitwa bi a wo di painting ho no. O si ne si dan ye kohwini. Me no ka say asam na regional minister e kan ye nyina no. Ba bi o ye ya o so o mo na dimpuntuo. E ba no emu ma ne ye o mo dia. O ya santini. Emu ma ne ene ye NDC project. Enti ya wo nkrofo bi wo ho a mo regional minister no watoto na niawe ne di kan se wo anim se fede ni nani so watoto na niawe because on kan toto na nim ye na fede wo nani so a ka for him to come out and then sa ne to TikTokers ne be ka say MPP pempu to djuma na omo no penti no krom ne kire say omo mom na dimpu to djuma ba obi anu ni problem but question na ye bisa wo ne say Dana wo penti mu na wo si MPP mo bra no na MPP fo mpempo ntodwuma no emu mane e na wo na that time class projects ne ye no na Amoakohene no wadi mfie sei ne egusu di koko e hye ne bag mma ne di kosku mebwa yeah interchanges e wo krom ha wo say who the design say ba home na ye fe no emu mane na party no e na ye e wa sentimental nti se e ka a party bi o ye kohwini dia e ye hwan a say NDC because interchanges na ne ekofo de ba yo mampanyin dada dwanaje kunkofo asantini prekope mebwa omo ye design ye kofa kwa ame nkroma designs ni bi wo nkroma mfoto ni ho designs ni bi ye nkroma designs ni bi ye President Mahama mebwa kasa mebwa sa okwa designs ni bi eye former president nkroma. I'm not saying say ye the nkroma de e betar interchange no ho a eye bad after all yenimsa akosomoni ades na nkroma kwaje bosia besi ye no we are still benefiting even say Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology ayi enam say asanteman doni panti se ni dingu so da so ekoye region bia kombe sora ka say onfiri hanti yanyi din ni nyeren enso enam say asanteman yanyi yimunti baba yara gusu ye baba yara Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology eguso ye Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and no natural said the Asantes are welcoming, they welcome everybody on board and I'm a boy ntino putting Kwame Nkrumah image our interchange hono bia no ni problem but say we recognize the former president binum dia our interchange no ho dia ni see ye no wo so on dey recognize na nye yie and it's a serious insult to the Asantes omo really behind politics. And this, a person who hide behind politics, directly or indirectly, no. Yemfa humfa ni dia santefo atem. What am I saying? Because asanteman edo nipanti and a university ewiase ye ni ba bia Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology edina kwadru anameboa when dinner that's what Kwame Nkrumah from Nkrofo and Wenchi. Kwame Nkrumah from Nkrofo and Wenchi. Unza Kwame Nkrumah Wenchi from Bono. Yes. Kwame Nkrumah Wenchi and Nkrofo ntoye Bono and Zaman. Ntino ni din edaso asanteman agietum ennaso because after all ye Ghana ni anameboa ye nyenyi yimu but asanteni nia onono emfri mantam numu no asanteman agina wa tu ade ade esombo ade adan no ane ewiase babia Kwame Nkrumah edin gusu ye aduma. I can tell you say Kwame Nkrumah somewhere 72 meboa.
Yes.
Very good. Kwame Nkrumah wo achi no apart from independence ya kebe didi akai Kwame Nkrumah no senye Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology I was antimantamwa kadina die. True or false?
Oh, very true. Very true. Big monumental yipa.
Anameboa. Senye independence ya yebedi edi akai Kwame Nkrumah. The only idea I want I had to see
yeah.
Some boy that be a Danny Panoa Yaka.
Yeah.
Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology was Santamantamo because Asante 4% ye mu welcome obi a yankase ye nyini din yere emfiri so because nya Asantini. Na mom Asantini so rise. Ekoba bia Kwame Nkrumah koduru ya Asante 4 recognize na ebinumu use politics to bring Asantini down because interchange no eye mampanyini kofo na siye sa Santis recognize Kwame Nkrumah dia na se interchange bi wo ho a mo pese mo de former president bi e picture kotaro ha ye hwan
kofo na sa
anya kofo na si nti kofo no ye recognize na enye yie NDC as a political party recognize president kofo enye yie as say me no me no ya as say
oh yes because
Asante mine this is the time and can say Asante youth no ko kasa. These are some of the things they should be saying
because initially it was Mahama first after they buy afterthought Kufuor don't count. So as you saying the main man no crowd see
main man no see any funny one. These are the things that Asante youth should be saying. Asante Youth Association because of my recognize Kwame Nkrumah. Nti Asante ni so akotop wa baba ye head of state. Now we see bibia ma Asante man ye say ono no de ye designs ya ye de ni picture ba ma enye yie. How? Enye de di kan na NDC kata wo mani atan Asante man. So kaya bas branding ho asembae womo head yi Kufuor picture frimu womo de all the former head of state womo wayeku mebo akasa meboa kopem se occupy Ghana MPP minority led by Chairman Sabonsu even the Asante MPs a press conference Asante MPP MPs that time a press conference say Nkrofo ma yeku agu Nkrofo adwuma agege Nkrofo sika abon Nkrofo tu aku omo no baba ase no ho adana mo yi Kufuor afiri because Kufuor so aba be di president wo mo bua papa yi Kufuor mfonini afiri mu kopem sa Asante MPP MP sorry ene occupy Ghana sa de na mo ye no a democratic leader our serve or mine no ko ono de amose mo recognize no wo ade yakora ne say metro mass na ode baaye no ono mampanyin kofuo na eye ne policy ode baaye no ye koye bas brand ne yi kofuo afirim enti enyemra edikan nie me ma
idea to say there is a precedent
and this w omunya akwanya won pese omode asanteman animie den etwitwi fam nti me twi asanteman adwena akọ bas branding no wo mo heda yi kufuo mfoni ni firi mu ama ne beye issue court onsam nyina ye den eba mu ansana bas branding no mo kọ wai aye no foforo e recognize kufuo esigana ha that time so not John Dramani Mahama his excellency and na president is ameboa
yeah ono
nti dia na asantefo aye otanhu meboa nti eno nso kire se ye to aba ni kwanza asantefo tena fi se ye mpie nkonkoto aba because we aye tanhu no clearly aye tanhu no
na kene 40 ye beda ne be ye 2 tie
anti wunu ba be ye sanema we wia no akotena TikTok MPP ya against impuntujuma or impuntujuma ye painting enti ade asanteman ehwehwe eye mfonini ya painti ho enye wo project na ye MPP project interchanges ye wo kromai emu ba akokora ni we ya ndisi dia asphalt ben ene wo kumasi akrombon abonten so a eye ndisi na ye tell me asphalt ben ene wo kumasi krodua imu a ye say asphalt we de ndisi na de buy tell me asphalt e wo kroma nyina no MPP nti muma ne na ye omodia na wia wakoka say ye ena ye pay impuntu you see NDC first 8 years Atames John Mahama 8 years and the whole of Asante region 2 hospitals and on the buy 8 years the whole of Asante region hospitals me no unim babio Fomana and Kumawu 8 years and fear maku yamhwe the population I was antimantamu yamhwe the Asante contribution to the national development taxes ya ban edi free Asante region 8 years ni nyina no eye Fomana and Kumawu no wouldn't say man to man see me 8 good years wouldn't party ebe complete ye
yes
then another that ne baumia and ebe complete Fomana and Kumawu hospital nanado danko akofo ano me no kasai MPP 8 years no manson kwanta hospital soko yesima omemeboa
yeah
MPP 8 years Twedia hospital soko yesima omo MPP 8 years Abronye hospital soko yesima omo MPP 8 years Drobonso hospital soko yesima omo ano haya ntenteno haya swami soko yesima omo hospital aduru 80% under agenda 111 ya ye di free abanwa no so trade eye atuma
kwangoma yeah
agenda 111 wo ho trade ayi kokobin
yeah
oforukrum
yeah
buaman ayi fieja kwabere north
yeah
afija kwabere ho bi wo nsuta eye secretary central ho ebi wo honom manso adobia ebi wo honom Barakasi atwuma nwabiaja agenda 111 ewo ho ba bia duruba na no eye 75% aban we agya no ho ntimpuntudwuma ba asem na okai kode afija kwa abere agenda 111 ewo ho nom asiwa your friends say bosume frɛ ho agenda 111 ewo ho nom akrofrom adanse akrofrom agenda 111 de ewo ho adujama agenda 111 ewo ho adanse asokwa keti amon ho agenda 111 de ewo ho asokware mampon chawana regional minister no free ono ane kwana no bisan sa agenda 111 na ye de aba wo ne kwana no wa ye ne den
and an overcrowding in hospitals.
Yini atwuma mponua ebitim ho ansana psychiatric hospital onwe ewo ho ayi wadie hospital no bi yere ewo ho adura setire so ma say nina ya people sanu aduma ana fa o mampanyin kofo hospital say o start here we ya akofo ado ne ba omiansa anu aduma wodi kansi complete ya na mebobo so twede sabro no drobon so man so kwanta so ame anu ya bie aye aduma sese mebo akasemboa o mampanyin kofo projects aye hospital projects in Asante region aye call irogwe invest ekwaji sika $333 million that time ena enya parliamentary approval the same you know modi Kumawu water project from the Bank of Apollyon Israel Bank of Apollyon Israel 2007
and Kufuor
Ninyanya approval the same date sa get the invest project na $330 million and yaji Kumawu water project ehusika from the Bank of Apollyon Israel near the Dubai 8 years MDC besafa ho ayi Tepa District Hospital on besafa ho o manwie MPP na na san be wie MPP project sad Kufuor projects no I started 2007 no NDC betena 8 years o manwie MPP ne be wie Kufuor project na nado dan kwa Kufuor ado ne ba omia Kolongo odomase na ye Kufuor hospital project NDC anwie President Kufuor ado ne be wie ye e commission ye Kolongo odomase ye baye da ye kodo Sewia hospital no ho no wo mu kun kokote omo aye bo omo pa Ministry of Health say wo mu nkodo ho wo mu koy na kokote ewura mprako mienu tese yama hospital na fua Sewia ha ya fari ha ya o what you say Sewia de no 250 bed capacity and sana ufa military hospital na wo afari eno say 500 bed no me no kasa ye free so ne ya wie bisa so mba o matimako o mako ho ye free so ne ya wie MPP free so no na afari hospital ne ya wie MPP free so no na ayi Asante Regional Hospital 250 bed ne ya wie bisa so mba ye no because of say the history of the project Emma mu kwanso mu kwa commission a won be ka no kurenti Emma mu kwan because broni no gina ho ono be man speech a obeka time project ne ya de esase nti MDC impasa president mama impasa ba betranse no makoma history say Asante Regional Hospital na was Sewia amampanyin Kufuor na de ma omo no started 2007 President Mahama person obetisa history no nti saa de omo ma ho kura emebie manipa enkom enkonya enkwa the military hospital afari womo nkonko commission emanipa nkom enkonkonya nkwa because broni na oye in charge of the project no onu onim trodi obeka say ye started 2007 and this in person obetisa history no. And I can tell you, a parliamentary, a former minister of health, Honorable Bambabin, the cabinet memoir of the corp cabinet, or state categorically, say project we inherited
point by point.
Point by point, say a Kufuor project, and this abandon them, and MPP. Ya ma by moi, Cabanano, Kaufa Hakakotiberio, and to Kohe, a danya. 2018 year kodo ni ekum kokote wom no ene ye wie amanfo pe baabia nya healthcare e wa Asante Mantamu because of the project abakosem ye MPP abakosem din ye nanko commission kura
and overcrowded amanfo dafo
bakwai municipal hospital ni nyina ye under the Kufuor projects in Libya. What you say? Enti dia na omo no aya ehu so for maternity and children block e wo komfa notia e ye Kufuor a project ni bi no. What you say? The trauma hospital at Obuasi e yo mampanyin Kufuor project ni bi no. Ana meboa. Patasi police hospital see awie. Yeah. Patasi police hospital ya wie. Etino omo tete hanom na se omo fa ready. What you say? Omo fa ready na to omo duru Facebook one TikTok wa. Omo fi so omo anega. Yenya omo e ready na kasa ma omo na ba project amabobo to omo emu mane na ye omo dia.
Doctor in a champion your bar platform you will say Dansia's request is very painful. Almost everything is completed, but it's left to rot. What you say?
Where you are? Remember what?
I say. I say you.
Now we say project ni ya MPP. Ya we commission agenda the most painful aspect wom kura ne say agenda 1 we binum de kura ya wie. Oh. But because of say project no what MPP history.
Yes.
And the nipa mu because me medi president so the wunya kwane medi bi. Wunya kwane kwa ba bia okrom ha. Omo tu ya punu mu kra ye de hama bebu punu na wunya kwane medi pre. Enti saade a ye mebie.
Ye no psychic. Nipa zu.
Na otia na wo ni na mo ke kansem say ye penti krom na MPP fo mpempuntu e na binum de dadoa ko wo obi de dadoa wo ma kwache no because no tia police fo wo ho ana meboa yeah because me I'm not against who beautify bibi e ma krom ye fe but whereby obeka say me ma ba ya de na obeka chense me mpebre wa na obedi hu de opebre ba de ba ye de mpebre. The issue I the non-recognition of President Kufuor because Asante nyenyi yimu wamu yenyi yimu a nka ye ngusu ngo komfa no chitichi ayi Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology anameboa yeah wamu yenyi yimu a kebe gusu a baba yara sports stadium wa wamu nyenyi yimu nti ade na wamu de so arise akwaduru se because of Kufuor nti interchange ya ye kasofo line no obi o wa Asante Mantamu bia be ka kire me say e bra Kufuor free so no emu akwan inner and outer lanes yes se ka NDC de asphalt gusuo from the quite roundabout e ko nyina no na ye mfuturo mebo
yes
but every year bia no na mo de petrol sika ewura Sofoli interchange for 8 years. Now they were budgeting 330 million every year. Every financial year biano na government of Ghana under NDC. between 2009 to 2016 every year biano no mo budget for Sofoli completion road no 330 million. As the Babe complete every year. Go and check all the budget they have read from 2009 to 2016. They should challenge me on that.
That just Gidi. Who se can did a fibia?
Omudisikana man bros no mudibiasa.
All right.
Yes, yeah. And the young people buy interchange ya. Ye be too one ya mugu so ya na no mo ba mo se o munyai mo stop no mo stop contractor. Na interchanging car nam so na sie ye mfuturo. What be that? We are so fine as I didn't call when did the Santaman interchange so for lie, Nakanam, so now see you footro. And people by money a bit so move quite run about. She after I interchange in Achileno, or Mampanino 4 years say, so for lie, I cheat Babia stays in one. A quiet mere corner because all do free. Kejetia. Not a Sunyana. Between Kajetia and Abuakwa filling station, a last a year or no, it take you 2 hours. A different 2009 to 2019. So low do Utu car free Kajetia Equa Buakwa.
Because of traffic situation.
And then quantum one, it take you 2 hours. And turn what do. And to a more design no nearby and says it's a contract and a twasso expanding road no from Sofoli to Abuakwa and if possible to Sunyani. And this is about 10 minutes 8 years Abuakwa kwanya ye huine sana net and this time then omo kasa tina TikTok wa omo de read the fruits ro wa eya omo fi so omo nkwana wo nyansa mboa ye mfa red nkoba bia red ni ye nimfa ba ani no da ho se obi tia so e no aheda regional minister katana nifa red we are no kansem so for like to Abuakwa kwan no se de esi hu ni nenu and this 8 years na sa na net ya na Bakwa run about the ura interchange na say o Sofoli interchange no and this 8 years na sa na ho na otiana MPP na be ye ne sa na nado danko akofo ado ne ba omi a mo bo mo so bo say yenti o mo nya papa MPP nya papa mo na be ye
na chama bi si bi no mo de koso amede ehu o
tie wo mo na tie na so odi mpuntu duma ba wa wo se wo na adi mpuntu duma ba no ade a esefata santeman no 40 ameboa. Now your regional minister wa nuduru drama. Regional minister kan ye tia. Regional minister odo asantemanya. Regional minister asantemanya da wa koma so a nka otena se. Ama 40 a contractor wo site. Ye aduma. Na contractor na ye aduma from 2023 to 2026 no ma baba ka kire ne say de ye ma onye 40 ye be ye 2 tia because 40 no emfata santeman and to road minister the yiri jare nyina no ye asphalt ko no yiri jare na ye da wo yiri jare wo ye asphalt ko ho na santeman de deserve 40 Bibi sao asamba na mo kai munisika
budget is
rosu aye hu na anu anda ye hu ba bontin emu mane na mo de sidie na etuaka emu mane na ye de besi na betuaka
ye de sika na betua
ye de sika na betua
sika pa na betua
tan o mo tan asanteman se o mo timi ka kira asanteman se 40 ana MPP design ye en sem fata santeman nto ombe ye 2 tia na mo manya sika atwa agum ya kwan ma kwan ne bi wo ha e ko bi yiri jare
Sapiti no.
We are saying na Sapiti 9 kilometers. A year 146 million Ghana cedis. Nibisao. We are saying na 1 kilometer of Sapiti.
I know that's not chrono.
We are saying na Sapiti 1 kilometer. A year 16.2 million Ghana cedis. Sapiti o. I'm so tired. A hora dear in Nako. So tired. And then sway. Eba huru biako 1 kilometer kwansini baako me kama me maame no abe wodwam batiase kwansini baako ye Sapiti enye asphalt enye de da ayi manhia yi bio enye de da swame o enye ayi bantuma asphalt ni bio enye akwa asphalt ni bio Sapiti ne sebe akoketwa adunso poro ni bi omo ye 1 kilometer 1 kilometer eye quantity sika no 160 billion old cities 1 kilometer Sapiti enye asphalt enye ne be 25 years asphalt ni bi wo ha edit sane omo ye wo ofanko insawam kwan no ebe take 26 to 30 years the quality of work here omo ye no wo ho 25 to 30 years and then ye kwan and your friends say kwan and no cost to sa obia ni problem but a ban say na Sapiti and no the babro fuma surface dressing sa watade atina de matela ni abohu ene wo tom no Omo say ni tailor ni bohu keke no ne board ne cha atade a akwakoto no foforo te se medie what be that why na wo bu na fa so saa eno de on ranka ho asem aban ni sika enso Sapiti contract we 146 million Ghana cedi eduru asantefo so dia o sika nu e de be ye 40 a sika nu e de be ye 40 a not ha ek cancer ba hu nyia no ni ma so obi ba cancer no akọ TikTok akọ didi nipa kratem no akọ Facebook akọ didi nipa kratem no onim who want to kwa bi ko akọ say 40 ana ye design ye no asanteman deserve the 40 enti omo nyama omo bio ano kama ye ntie say asanteman deserve 40 ana and this wa wo party ni say omo for 2 tier. Giving them the 2 tier and said they don't deserve the 4 tier. To wafa wadi free. And then no obia ya wa ya u penti home. U penti home. Na abeje home fan. Jo ni hwe ka.
Chairman
why didn't get basa send this for me? Hey, Yesu. Oh, why didn't get basa send this for me? Hey, Yesu.
Politics to bring Sasantinini down because interchange. You know, a mampanyin ko for ne see. Sa Santis recognize kwa interchange bi wo ha. Mo pese mo de former president bi e picture kotara wa ye hwan. Nya ko for ne see. Nti kofo no ye recognize na enyeye. NDC as a political party e recognize president kofo enyeye. As I say, you know me and you. Oh yes,
because
Asante mine. This is the time, and can I say Asante you to Nukomokasa. These are some of the things they should be saying.
Because initially it was Mahama first, after by afterthought. Don't count. So as you saying, the main man no crowd see.
Main man no see any phone in way. These are the things that Asante Youth should be saying. Asante Youth Association. Because we recognize the Kwame Nkrumah. Nti Asante ni so akotop wa baba ye head of state. Now we see bibia ma Asante Maya. Yes, or no de ye designs here. Ye de ni picture ba ma nye. How? Enye de di kan na NDC. Kata wo mani atan Asante Man. So kaya bas branding ho asembai. Woman head that yi kufuo picture free mu. Woman the all the former head of state. Woman wa ye ku. Mebo akasa mebo. Kopem say occupy Ghana. MPP minority led by Chairman Sabonsu. Even the Asante MPs. A year press conference, Asante MPP MPs. That time, a year press conference say, Nkrofo ma ye ku. Agu nkrofo adwuma. Agije nkrofo sika. Abo nkrofo tu ku mono kokofo so aba bedze. Wo mo bua papa ikofo mfonini efrimu. Kopem sa Asante MPP sorry ene occupy Ghana sa de na mo ye no e democracy no wo ade yakora ne say metro mass na ode baaye no ono ma ampanyin ko fo no brand ni yi ko fo afri enti enyem bra edikanye me mal
idea just
Anta hospital soko yesi ma mmeboa
yeah
MPP 8 years Kedia hospital P8 years Abronye hospital soko yesi ma omo MPP 8 years Drobonso hospital soko yesi ma omo ano haya ntenteno haya swan hospital aduru 80% under agenda 111 a ye di free abanwa no so trede atuma
kwangoma yeah
agenda 111 wo ho trede man afija kwa abere ho bi wo nsuta sekresen ebi wo honom barakasi atuma nwabiaja
yeah
agenda 111 ewo yeah afija kwa abere huna sauka yenim contractors ni bia they have the capacity we are contractor ya se wafa ofango ayi of
in Sawam
kwana there's no doubt to say sa nipa no man aduma
yeah
on to minye because obeye koko ayi road be from 152 Abronye ye nyina o start ye na that contractor and start ye near wa adwene say oh because of say ye bush road ntino onye ni ye masa so kokko fast from 152 Abronye e kwan guso wa hoden from 2019 to date
oh okay
the bush road koko road wa edman e kwan guso ye den e wa hoden besin ne most of the contractors na omusu ye bi no koko road nsu ahoro mo de ekọ
the same cocoa roads
yes ebinum de nsu ayeden ahoro ko but ono no de no enam so wo capacity wo human capacity wo proper engineers omo wa ombetima ye adwuma eyie no kwano faso say easy to come to Sunyani East.
okay
Contractor oh yeah swami interchange so faso na hwese do musi start adwuma na unim so mo capacity na meboa
yeah
enti sa ni pa ye man adwuma untimi ndauto ne capacity na say enipa na yi ba ne ono no nto sofi ya ma me no kan sofi meboa onto sofi
ibi wa kase se ba ko bi de tuetu
onto sofi da ne ya man contract obi onto ayi sofi eda oni sofi yeso original chairman nti ya man contract some 400 million so sourcing nti onamua opobi se no contract ni kita obi no nsa no a wo mo pa obi atona ma no e kita o nsa no say o ade a yesi ye pen emergency
I don't
so say no e wo mo nchiremu bebre nye dikan so kan marana so say ne kire say eye session 38 one to 41 so ne kire say ade we ya aban epese oye no ye hwehwe mu na no me nko na me wo capacity a metime aye me nko a ebiem so ne kire say phone ya ye patoi no eye me na ma register phone no as my intellectual property nti ye kwa akopa bi wo ba bia ye nya e de se ye ka kire me se me ma supply mamo ana me ye mamo because ye farmer chia kwa kopebia enye ye e de se me am register as me intellectual property no ye rely on me na me dia ye den me dia ba so na se kire no no enti me nkoa na me wa ahoden a metima ye den aye na the question is say obi a onto selfie da ana shovel da no edia na mo de yes ono nkoa na betima ye sa area hokwan mo de man oni shovel ana sofi
today they exclusive crowd
exactly na corruption in free ba because there are contractors here they have the capacity no matter what the number of projects are there no matter 5 projects ebinu woman ebinu hwo omudina wo capacity ni bro omo so say wo ka chom so omo nkoye adwuma na say adwuma na ya publish no say wo ka so nkoye 6 ye man mako 6 here he can still do it the contractor can do it ebisu wo ha on top sofida on top savoda oni capacity no ni a man contract so sourcing 400 million because of original chairman and adwuma ni kita o monsa no and o modinam because when the catcher Saudi adwuma ma rango and amarpoma wo ni capacity to do capacity na bro so you can give them 10 contracts etinu me wo de adwuma ma o mo so sourcing na the entire main no many program ne say wo capacity say so no one a emergency and no ya 1 point anytime you call for so no 2 men kwa na sa de no metima provide what you say 3 ade na ye hwehwe no e nipa ba ko wo pe ne e benya ye den afiri these are the reasons you can go and read the law who can say the meeting can say na wo enti sa niam yensa we no contractors ni bi ni chawo kind law na they don't qualify don't qualify say adwuma no ye pen emergency obetima provide say adwuma no ye hwe say adwuma no adata na ono nko na betima ye say the yesi pen no or qualify wono na we equipment ya obetima ye adwuma no say the yesi pen no or qualify but ne onto sofi anaso ayi sabo da no eye da ye koma no contract na under so sourcing nti eno no so because the corruption woman wona na nyadwen because ne your capacity no me nkoka say on deserve ukoma laji marapoma ana rango ana se bia joshop womo omaduma under so sourcing me I don't care ana me boa oma joshop construction aduma me I don't care Woman marapoma adwuma under so sourcing me I don't care me nso betima deliver more than contractor ya yes swami yi woman adwuma me nso betima deliver anameboa rango betima deliver so what is my problem but near onu no kita de na say wa award wa ma no na award letter ni kita na o pro China ni atanama
o di capacity ti afa no obi aso
contractors ni bi no ha o de award letter ni nam pese o mo to adwuma no ma China for gikat na ebi na so aka na mo peta na for akọ mo agro wo nipa ni
won chendi
one problem ni free
because of original chairman said
this project we nyina o ma list here no I can tell you say Ghana ha you better put in place 5 contractors just 5 and they will do a perfect job for Saduma we nyina just 5
as your chairman the papi because job for the boys so
you are a big push and a big loot what you say Saduma na mu bebrebe nyina no I can mention 5 contractors in the country our munko betimi a execute adwuma no ama said the man yesi pen no yensa ye dey aka but ye chichama ayi vigilante boys na vigilante boys no kita award letter no enam etu omo nsa no na omo nam eton omo pe China fo aton ama omo eno na ye ka ho asem media me nim se so ase e wo mara no me ni so ase ho problem ana contractors ni binum so ye they have more than what it takes to do to execute the contract. It's a mini problem, but any capacity no under what circumstances in Amodi Adjumani yede emano.
But every president reaction no a solve problem.
Minia. Mumenya adanko dada do ni ye no. As a president who call rounds. Most of the projects need be what cut sword, meboa. On one congo cut sword and handing over the project to the contractor.
Yeah.
As a president, you are telling me say what to cut. Every crime, I cut sword of a road contract under the big push. Now we need the methodology and now so. Emasa project no ka kwate so not just all the dia no wada. The president is telling the whole nation say Sanka 4th estate for amfa sa expose we ama bontia nko nim how the big push contracts were awarded. Then you are not a president. Excuse me.
Odama onaigu abontin.
Nyasa wada ya kwadro. Nyasa wada onaye na mume ya kwadro. Ya kache so ya kwadrofo. President asem no kan
one of your flagship programs, big push.
Eshira kwadro. Eshira how a president in taking mine serious. Because ba me say na president utuka eko kate son. Road wa aye under big push. Now we nim kwana ye fast award contract no.
The 73 billion
oh, and I'm say me they not the issue involved. Me I have problem with contractors who don't have the capacity. Because contractor wo mo aye dia ma o say o mo ye contractors adwuma no tua wo mo nsa no o mo de na mo ton no. Me say dream we eren ewom. I have problem with wo mo ni capacity aye dia adwuma no ma o mo. So we listen din that is why I'm telling you, say you can put together 5 contractors on betimaye perfect work at their mind. But the president for the president to tell us say wako run to a cut some of this project. Na mo onim kwana ye fa so e award ye nti afa na wo call for the minister to give already minister na ba bonti abaka say ni nyina ye so source. Meboa wa ba bonti abaka Babi a yebu akonta ye parliament.
Yeah.
Nti wakobu akonta say ye so sourcing. Or sign 107.
Yeah.
And emu 81 ye so sourcing. Nti ye 75% member.
Yeah. Yeah.
And a president nim I wrote we be nyina no wako. Na nse ya ne to ya or start so akate sort baby. Nti whole president nim e kwana odi aso kobo from o won say ye so sourcing and answer competitive tendering. Hey. And to what some president kai o yamunshi wo. Some president took car back Kumasi Bekati road sword. Hand over the man contractor no. But the president didn't even say the contract was awarded on so sourcing or competitive onim.
She said yes, the strategy out there bad there. Who can say now say yeah masum. But yes,
Minia strategy na me tutum ntokuri. Say the dika dia president here one way the other sangu na nimase. Go na nimase say what president. Akọ kate sword. Big push project no. Wako kate sword. Na ne president say na bia wako kate sword hand over to a contractor. And the president ne ba beka say sword no ko kate ye kra on some of the roads no. Onim say e so source and answer competitive tender. Nje say one kasa no is a disgrace. Na we na musu hu no. Ba ku bi aba che nkuro.
Emu ya we no.
Boboba. Keke.
Hey, another scandal.
Say a chain kuri.
Yo.
Nani a chain say. What is 24-hour marketing?
Mate. Yes. Sometimes I don't come rounds.
Consistency be a 24-hour marketing. Baby a CB 20 million Ghana cedis. Baby a 18 million. Baby a 30 million.
Like cereal. Marketing.
Marketing. None. I was a me strategy or my adopting say all the 276 24-hour market economy na omuto omusi no ni nyina ye under restricted tendering. Restricted tendering ni say
bienu
miensa bi mo nko na mo mra da bi omo na develop that strategy no ye frewa na ya catch say asante mantam ha andisi panyini pa baako a owa ban mo no nko afanum a wono ni chronics na esio ana andisi fo no bi afa ho abebo mamane 24-hour market na o mu sisie no panyini baako owa ban mo no nko afanum 5
ono nko afanum
oh
ewo one region na scatter
anopa ya me ba ya ba brief me tefa ko na meji briefing
I just watch contract for markets enum
ono nko adi num ana muna bam na mo say we da Abronye asombete oya no so ene e ba boye nyina ane Abronye asombete ati anra ye see airport no say china nopa me ba be ma briefing nti anopai meneni pa yabo coffee wie ya na o ma me briefing oba nam so da bra me enko coffee yabo ye enko take coffee kakra ni em fa adwere
but honestly Abronye the obo yere nyo enra boho to the 16,000 who crowd ban enra MC ascribe say 90,000 nane sika na de saro mu de no
boho ofie me to connect everything 22,000 Ghana
900
ayo 22,000 omutunu babi omutunu 120,000 24-hour economy market no nationwide strategy ni say wo andisi ni we ne de ba ma wa no maka tro say ye pese bon crofo garaway nti ye nko competitive tendering nti wo ma heda pia award ni nyina aba region nti regional coordinating council sisi ni nyina na award 24-hour economy market no regional ministers ni na award nti o mo fra wa wo na e de ba ma wa na o mo so fa bigum ana munaba nti region bi asante region ha obi afanum ana nditifo no se ne Abronye asombete hi contract ne binam 22 million market na who design 22 million asante manta baako afuni pa baako
over 20 billion what some yeke 206 something billion
220 billion
hey
titisikano 220 billion what hey ba wa fasa numo ana no fa kirema ne nkrofo anabusuafo abie companies ana wono asa ono na sign ne ya sign the amount. Yes, a restrictive tendering 24-hour market no nti sa companies ne ba sa wo na ye de ba ma wa no ma hada ka tro say heda fa companies fake bi mienu bi attach nti wo di attach a na say ye de ma wa omo di wa chiri they can complain because wa na do omo bae wa strategy no ye ni
kama ade de abiem ba na ye wa nkofo di omo na aba
restrictive tender na omo ye no company na omo de ba ma no sa company na kofa nipa mienu ba na ho but that is not the procedure
on boys
loading boys loading boys eto no ko afanum 22 million 20 baakufo afanum ana am se ne e beduru Abronye ho abona mane ti anopo ba ye fa coffee kakra no say Abronye se bi bedidi agya bidie ne ade ne be sey no ye be sey no ne nyina ya kotena fie 24 hour no the whole Ghana sa na omo ye no a restrictive tendering no omo ye nti wo na ede ba ma wane ya frew na wo wape keke company no wape we die na ono aba abaji certificate ndi attach enti akire no anzo baba ba ka say ade na anya yi because na de baaye or the support to ono ni documents no one strategy no nti another dream ana omo sign so fafa obakona ne all sign no ono akwakope company no afamu num oh I ni hide omo hwe de srade wom no no mafa to say 24-hour economy no regional ministers no fa kese na contract sam no so no ni nyina all the regional ministers
and the regional ministers ADD
me say 24-hour economy market no mu si no akese ni nyina regional ministers na fa the contract sam no so bia no wo mafa because omo mi e company ni din na wo so nti wa friend crofo won chen oh we de yamame ya friend yamame nti akese ni nyina o mafa no ayi kakra na ewo from 10 million to 15 million no eno so ya ye no restrictive tendering nti e wo bia o ye party panyin ne e pewasema omo se yempese obia ne e ba be pere nti wa kope obi a wa register no company bi a enko ba bi na fatare wo de na chi nti e ba ne de wo de ama wo de no no akoka kire omo se anye yie.
All right, today TV so Eddie Talk Ghana and Ugusu Awoshado Kwame Bafo Abronye, my guest in the studio this afternoon. Now Breno Ekwa Dimunti Benedum Din Kobo Kakra very soon ye didn't see a Cassia Bodebro no see pepe but before that ye Gasto Beksha na say Nature Medics Consult so ebetina say Abronye Endra President Asia CSOs no Almighty LGBTQ Enra President Bekachre Ghana for say eno no de hu hia sa aduane ebedie bread and butter issues important share LGBTQ some bread ya sa de bi no friend true enti no crowd ya send your brushing aside no eno be just so shebi who say president
na say endorsement of a gay and lesbian president asem no kan wa endorse gayism and lesbianism in the country.
Yeah.
And I'm a boy. So, one is a Ghana for
because of person international communities had the client for the serious one.
Me say, and international no catch a Ghana for no say or no as a president why endorse. Wajiatum. A kasa and as a seminum you take kasa as a language interpretation. What I say? Obi kan sema the contest you de be kan sem en na se menu mienu ye ti ase ne matemam fo ti ase oh ade we de ye mfanto ba bi ehunya enye priority
yeah
anameboa very good enti ebra Kali Bishop Conference e ko no ho ko katro mo say obema be na expire no obedi akire wo parliament no ma pass no na ye priority no na kan bo a ebra o ka kire na nado danko akofo ado obi na di akokot na president ma dina platform so say asem na obi di akokot no ye the creation of Nanado and Baumia and a man nipa na the court na no ye priority and the na ye on man priority me boa o se Nanado ni Baumia and then person be sign and no ma show bi kutu person fanko Supreme Court and na me no ka Supreme Court case bi wo assembly wo ayi no ho na Nanado danko akofo ado making statement clear say court issue bi any one or no also ya Anglican name boa obe sign na momo man ya yetemu yi se keke kokoto a bibia ntimi stop keke kopin se keke belusu ɛna nipa na akwa lusu ɛna mara na ba beto ho ɛna wo na odi ye campaign tia the sitting president no at Christopher Muslimi for the traditional sebra. And it was your campaign message. A part of your campaign message. And I'm a boy. So by no a kwana wodin kwanso o de sign no a Christopher ni bedikeke. And I'm a boy. Oba ya na o kachire o mo se be na expire na me hu say ade na di agita. Ada
Bebe na expire.
Tio, ada o kachire Kali Bishop for no. Say be na expire na me say agita. Agita. Because ya ni enim. Say ya na me nim painfo no binum in the country. I don't blame some of them so because a binum research it. A nipa or the Andrew Solomon ba Ghana first 2008 President John Dramani.
Exactly, yeah.
A reason na gay president a nipa or the ba Ghana first man who say Kurobi at the Ghana no nipa or the ba President John Dramani Mama as a running mate and a member of parliament. Mebwa.
Yeah.
On the Deneba Andrew Solomon a reason na sabi trumu hine. On a Deneba Ghana first. Sani pana bakatro say bill efa sankrofo no mesanya. Now you Christo ni wo ye Muslimi ni na uhuri boso a. Ano akatro say I spy. Owie ye no na obakatro prince enya de ehia Ghana fo. But Ghana fo ni asofo fo mpanyfo nyina tio President ba ye 2025 no a Christopher nyina kuo Christian Council wo mo kwa so mo kan ho asem meboa
Yeah.
Mo bi go to the baffle.
wo mo kwa ye no no mo ka chensa de ehia o mo ye sa be no meboa
Yeah.
eno ye one Roman fo nyina the Catholic Bishop Conference. Wa mo so kosia o mampanyini. Meboa 2025. And o mo ka say ade ehia o mo pa ye sa be no. Meboa. Very good. Kuya wo sum abosumsumfo kuwe de wo dwan no. The traditionalist no. Wa mo so tire krata. So mampanyina bai. Ade ehia o mo pa ye be no. Ana meboa.
Yeah.
Enti se wo ka we nyina boma ne kire ne say 99.9% of Ghanaians tabe no the percentage of that be na ehia omo nya sa na tie
Sir.
and also be na spy no betu wana mo e mo ma relay any ade and me ba bonten be ka say be no wom enkosi aga enya adwuma parliament ne enya adwuma parliament o chena and come and measure two way. And then I know about catch say, and yadi in young Ghana for be. In Timpine for a moko honum no. Or catch them as I send them back and say a bready fool. Bready fool must say. Or catch them as I said, in some now with their tuna in here. Enti me catch us as ankrofo na o kasa kire omo no before ansa na ombe kokora na obia envelope ko
yes osu
na tio envelope nko ya ade a 2024 CEO so fo no civil society organization fo no kasa tia no se ehia oman no enne no ye nya obi a o se ehia oman no mo bo mu nsam W Tio no the very person who issue statement to say Samra na say ba sa serious for no omo issue statement say Samra na ye dey eba na ebe bo man na meboa no mo attack MPP and now the same crofo no president bi aba omo say ono de ebe sign no president by us sa de ne hia no mo bo mu nsam wo ye keji fo a na keji ni kura no o ka kire ne say wo ba na de na duro na de tofe dada na o cho be suma wa hu say wo mfoa so ba we num no before anto no be duro no mo envere pokọ nti nsambo meeting and I'm calling.
I concur.
In some book. You had that from so.
Kakama fremo.
Mumma bomun some. Because tension about it. Yam from no mumma who say ye baby. And the president I catch the prince say. Someone I won't take a century more. And then me Chilemusa president to say. Of Wasso. Because adia or man say here ujina Pentecostal Council anim e kan ye say e na nado danko akofo ado ne bawumia na esi hu kwan e na ntimi ma na ne wanya akwanya ne se wo so won san dia ne chese na ofo aso so omonye ana me bo
yes
nti obi amfa no wadwen
Abronye Bruno, quickly, me won't share. And Kabe Pese, you share unemployment. The recruitment. Now, MP Abekacha says he said the 24-hour economy knows why ye. Now, Indomie and a Bebua economy lose to say, we are Bebula.
Free social media home. Because me, social media, number.
Yeah.
But or catch NDC for no money social media 24 hours and say, I'm compare to money.
I also complaints no more.
Also, I'm compare to money. Now, so where the crowd can be, and maybe because of Munko Tanyanche. And I'm a boy. To where they can be, Indomie Monkoye, or see NDC full soldiers and Moon free social media, Namonko pay Indomie, Momubo container be. Na mon pay Indomie bi na say Ghana for ese cake mon kokra po nyina mo di Indomie mo ne nkra ya tie simi Indomie adan
ba Abronye 24 hours say the lectures anya aduma no
our market na mo oye nya nwie ye kra no ye tete na sere na abasai ana me boa ba aye so obi ahu bi maburu ni binum no na wo mo nti asem ewo kuroma na meboa no mo nti asem nti ne na wa hu bi no wo chefa no obi anya na die ene asante mantam ha no yedum nkania se aban ne asantefo wa asem ukwabu no regina wo mudum nkania se aban ne bonfo wa asem ukwa istina ya target some regions bia e kwana ye fasu dum nkania no akase aban no omo ye dai e wasem nti obi abenya ne chefa no mo huru boso because MPP babe create conducive environment abema waduma and everywhere in the world no the easiest way how betima nya aduma betima ma quick money yes say obekọ into ICT Unimsa
yeah
yes
yeah
e kwana obefa so anya bibia ye ntem because organizations ahodo e ba nyina no without ICT o mon survival yes anate very good enti de kwana obi befa so anya aduma ntem aye through ICT and yenya presidential candidate na wa ben wo sikasemu no se said the real CC kono se yamfa digitalization an kan ho a emwaye enti ebetire ni ye mabunu 1 million through ICT wote ha adwuma beto online e Amsterdam ewu hia se ye be fro Amsterdam ho keke wote ase se wu online se adwuma wo Amsterdam ewu hia se obeko Amsterdam ho you can work here in Ghana through online ICT ni ye tua ka bosome eno nso boa o se wu tu kwana because of say I am pro or harder than Tino, or per visa on your day, woman. Nin I say, buy no never found hoka, a training crop for a more tablet or more yes, I do money for free, and nipa 1 million. Yet the end this if was a baby decoded. Say ya petese dia che fridge mu. Say ye pito e che fridge mu. Say ye can come here che fridge mu. Ye see bibi decoded, youth encoded. No ma can say no. No munyina ye say President Mahama the 1 million coded worker ba and any coded no. It don't coded. I dare see just who say you coded. And ye ne. Anani ya nenti mabunu ne manti ane mabawa abani nyina no die yepe die obinum pe ena omunsa akan obi kita policy kita ono anka kita policy no ontimi nkyire omu aso na uhuru baso ase time roaring city ase no anditi fu asia really ase odu o matem na omo bo omunsem and say what kind of nonsense is that? The answer of my who brony. Nti brony di o matena nditi fo no. Yay! Nam say na dia ba sem kra na ete hu. Asem wo di no wa ntase. Sa President Mahama 2024 message. And this mabru no. Onya be yay code no bisa say code ni adia. Eno anso si ho. But you see youth in ICT ye training mabunu no ye provide o tablet into to one answer you just search Amsterdam any part online jobs be na ye den e wo ho ukwa Saudi Arabia online aduma be na ye den e wo ho no wa bo pa na bene bon nanu Dr. Kwesi Cheti Kumasi otiminya ge ewo Frankfurt through online Kwesi mo former Dr. Kwesi Cheti Asante region through online what you say enti ya we nyina mo se mo mpesa message no mati so obi kan coded
and number indomie
eno na be wie nanu ye can recruitment ya dede ba hu ya ye jeje nkrofo sika medicals ya tam the 1500 Nebwa
yeah
a 1500 ye bu nkrofo fast wie ye no na president di America the statement ya ba say afedi o ma pejam e de 40,000 into o mo ba na sa de na ya on fa